Yes, sure.
Yes. So first we will create directory. So write mkdir directory name Ubuntu VM Ubuntu_VM. Do ls. Go cd. Go to that directory Ubuntu VM. Then we will create the image, the disk image in this directory. So the command for that qemu_img. You might have copied. Yeah, this is the command. Here we are creating 60 GB image file. Yeah, press enter. Do ls. So our disk image is created. Now we will try to install VM in this disk image. So go to second tab. Copy this entire. Copy it. Control Shift V. So there is this name, and then memory, CD-ROM. So okay, and then disk is this. Okay, enter. Selecting list. Install Ubuntu. Here select option to install the Ubuntu. So let it come. Select. Continue. Normal installation. Don't do it. It will take more time. So you can run sudo apt install, sudo apt update afterward. Continue. Install now. Yes. Here your type your settings, password, username, everything. Continue. So let it complete. Let's wait.
Wow.
Let it complete the installation. It may take 15 or 20 minutes. We are almost finished. Maybe 5 or 10 minutes more. almost finished, maybe 1 or 2 minutes more. So yeah, enter select this restart now. Let's wait so that boot screen can come. Go to terminal. Once terminal, yeah, terminal window. Okay, yeah, okay. Go to this virt-viewer. Now enter your password. So let's wait for a startup screen to come here. Nice. So this is how VM will be installed. So let's see the status of the VM. Current status of the VM. Verse list all. Yeah. So it is set off. So let's start the VM. So verse start. Your VM name. The center. Started. We can view it. Yes, it is running. Now go to other tab and start this virt-viewer. Yes, connect it. Now this is our VM screen with password. And let's wait for startup screen to appear. Yeah, this is how we will log into the VM. So we have seen how using virt-viewer we can log into our VM. But if you want to configure for SSH, then we have to assign some static IP to the VM. So for that, run verse dump XML. First run verse list all so that we can see the VM name. Verse list all. Yes, copy this VM name and run verse dump XML. Copy it. Then run verse dump XML. This VM name pipeline grep mac MAC. Copy this MAC address. Copy it. Yeah. Then write another command verse net edit. So first list our net. So for that, first we have to see the network name. So for that, run this verse list net list verse net minus list. Yeah, press enter. This is our network name. So we will edit it. So type verse net edit. Then network name. Enter. So go to this line where range is written. Range start and end. So go to the end of that line and press enter. Yeah, go to the end of that line and then press enter. Now write this. Okay, let me forward you the command that you have to write.
Forwarding it on Slack.
No, on Zoom.
Okay.
Copy this command, but here you have to mention your MAC address instead of this. So yeah, press tab here so that it can get aligned to range. Go to that line number first. Yeah, below range. Yeah. Press tab for proper entities. Yeah. So this MAC address should be different. So here you can see your range start from 192.168. Okay.
What is the command to get MAC address?
Okay, so go to first tab first. Go to first tab and then exit and save. When it is asking for saving, press yes. Y, save it. Yes, enter. This is your MAC address, right? Copy it. Then again run this command. Netedit default. Paste your MAC address over here. So this will assign. So this is the MAC address of your machine. This will assign this static IP 192.168.122.10 to this machine so that you can log in with SSH. So press Ctrl X and save it. Now we have edited our default network configuration. So let's destroy it first. So write verse net destroy, and the network name, which is default. Press enter. Now again, since we have destroyed it, so we have to start. So verse net start and network name default. Yeah, press enter. Good. Now our VM is having that static IP. So do verse list all. And one thing that I want to mention here, your VM should be in the stop state. It should not be running because we are changing the network configuration for that VM. So start the VM. For that, verse start and the VM name. Yes. Now we should ping. If we ping with that IP, we should be able to ping that IP. So we will run ping and then IP name, which is 192.168.122.10. 122.10. Yes, we should be able to ping it. Yes, it is working. So press Ctrl C. Let's do SSH. Clear it. Do SSH. Nikila @ yeah, the IP name, 122.10. Press enter. Connection refused. So okay, so we are having some error while using logging with SSH. So first we need to see whether OpenSSH server is installed in our VM or not. So go to second tab and type virt manager or virt-viewer to see our VM in GUI mode. Connect. Enter password. Open a terminal. Ctrl-Alt-T. Run this sudo apt install open SSH SSH minus server. So this needs to be installed. So currently we have installed this, so it will not be installing anything else. So this needs to be installed. Now let's log in using SSH. So close it, go to first tab and do SSH, your host name Nikhila, and then at the rate IP 192.168.122.10. Yes, enter. It will ask for fingerprint, so yes. Now enter your password, and this is how we can log in into VM using SSH. Do ls. Yes, this is our VM. So yeah, that is how we can log in our VM using SSH as well as using virt-viewer if you want.